to create ID and classes in the HTML. So the first thing that you have to do when creating ID and classes is this. So let's say mention it that is div so you can name it how you want it. You can name this class as A if you want. Yeah. And you can pick another class as this class you can put it if you want it class B. So again, the same way that you are creating a process, the same way you create an ID by doing the same division. It's an item equals to C. And then you can create equals to that. This IDs are unique for our class environment. So you cannot create many IDs that will let your code to crash. You can create as many classes that you want, but you cannot create many IDs. So I advise you to just create 1 to 2 IDs, not more than that. Then you can create many classes. So the reason for these things is that they help you to run. So let me just show you how to run that in programming. So here, for example, I've created a class. So what you have to do is that whenever I want to build this class, I'm just mentioning it in CSS. So here we got this class, and then this class. So here I can write anywhere. I can write the content. I can put the content inside that. And then inside the content, I can add up images. Add images here from image. So space. Whenever I want to mention it, I first have to mention the class name, which is name. After that, the content name. After that, the image. That's when I get to this image. So, here again, I can write division. So this one is just the ID image. That's the reason why I just put division. Div class. So here I can put the paragraph name. If you want to mention these things inside CSS, the way you mention them is you need to move file, a new CSS file. So I'll just name this CSS file as a main.css. So I'll create another file, a new file, and then I'll just click Ctrl S on the keyboard, and then name it again, name the CSS the same as that. Then here, when you call your IDs in CSS, like your classes. So if you want to call a class like this one, we can usually loading the paragraph name. So the way you call it, the way you call a class in CSS is by writing and then a period. I'm looking for people to help. Yeah. Have a good day. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my new channel. My channel is new, you can see I have little subscribers on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe and to hit that bell button